Item number SCP-325. Index: Possessed Typewriter. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures: Item to be kept in a Faraday cage at all times. Exposure to radio waves may cause item to become uncontrollable. Any matters affecting national security must not be mentioned whilst in presence of item. Any persons wishing to study SCP-325 must gain Level 4 clearance and make a full report of anything spoken aloud in hearing distance of item. Image: SCP-325. Description: Item appears to be a standard QWERTY typewriter. No manufacturer's mark visible. Anything spoken aloud in the presence of SCP-325 is mimicked by item by seemingly typing itself, regardless of language. No ink ribbon appears to be present in item. Exposure to radio waves causes item to type at high speed any information being transmitted over said radio waves. Any radio receiver in the vicinity will emit loud, seemingly meaningless noises regardless of power supply. Addendum: Any form of paper is not to be brought close to item. Addendum: Item not to be approached in groups of more than 8. Appendix 1. Recent experiments have shown item SCP-325 to be highly reactive to paper being placed in it, in which case it begins typing furiously with no input required. One scientist remarked that item appeared to have an intelligence capable of passing a Turing test. Suggested modification to containment procedures: Keep paper clear of item at all times. Appendix 2. Item was approached by a group of 10 scientists, at which point all keys began typing frantically in an unknown language. Scientists reported intense feeling of uneasiness, which culminated in two persons leaving a containment area. After the second had left, item returned to normal state. Suggested modification to containment procedures: Approach item in groups of 8 or less.